Meaning of far-sightedness.
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 Far-sightedness. Far-sightedness, also known as hyperopia, is a refractive error of the eye that makes it difficult to see nearby objects clearly. This condition occurs when the shape of the eye causes light to focus behind the retina instead of on it. The result is blurred vision for close objects, but better vision for objects in the distance. Far-sightedness can be corrected with eyeglasses, contact lenses, or refractive surgery. If left untreated, it can cause eye strain, headaches, and difficulty with reading and other close-up activities.